3 hand-picked motorcycle vest. Amazon Fashion, Winter 2017. At any time, click the circle, and get the details about your favorite vests. Number 1. A girl long-length jacket dress. Featuring an eye-catching western look, made of pool leather, this dress includes belt and zipper closure. Available solely in this color. Number 2. A one-piece vest, produced with leather. This vest includes pocket and button front closure. Available just in this color. Thanks for watching this hand-picked collection by #WomenFashion. And, if you didn't like it, write something mean in the below comments. Otherwise, subscribe to our channel.